What I love about this company and our teams here is we're always creating, always finding solutions, and the journey never ends. So we'll continue to look for further ways to reduce greenhouse gas reductions and provide a better sustainable environment for our employees. We have employees that have a lot of passion about this, a lot of energy around it, and anything that we can do to continue to drive and be good stewards of our local environment as well as the globe, we're excited to participate in.